This is the elastic spinning disc. Now I'm going to show you the procedure to set it up. So one end of the string will push through one of the holes. Then after that goes through the other hole. Right? This way. Then at the end here, at the end here, these two ends. Right, so you tie a simple knot this way, right? Make a loop. Then let this two string, sorry, one more time. Make a loop and let this thing, the two string goes through the loop. Then you pull. Yeah. So with that, we'll have one end here, the other end here. Now to put in the ring, take one of them, let the loop go through the ring, open up the loop, then loop back to the ring this way. Okay, let's do one more for the other side. Oh, this is a bit too long. Maybe I'll cut this away. Okay, so again we have a loop here. Right, push it through. Once this thing goes through, open up the string, then go back, loop back. This blue. It dropped off, didn't tie properly. Let's do it again. So this part, make a hole, and goes through one more end. And then this one goes through, look back. Okay, so we are done with these two hanging here. Okay, then what we can do is we swing this one, then pull with a certain timing.